Welcome to the best seat in your house. Welcome to the place where the most ambitious brands and progressive leaders gather. Because community has never been more important. Because you need a pioneering partner you can trust. Because change is here. Not everybody loves change, but everybody sees it. Not everybody gets change, but everybody needs it. Because industry best performance, scalability, reliability, and expertise are Maslow's new hierarchy of needs. That's why we're creating an interactive online experience like no other. We're gathering leaders, marketers, developers, partners, and experts, and we're bringing them right to you. So join us and get inspired. Enrich, immerse, and engage. Dig in deep with sessions for developers, marketers, experience builders, and more. If you're passionate about bringing outstanding open digital experiences to life, this is the event to attend. Power brands, upstarts. What do you want to be? Make something great. Get people to lean in. Get ambitious. Be loud. Stand out from the crowd. At Acquia Engage, open will set you free.